technology a crucial role in organization, especially schools in the information age. The impact of information technology, or IT, on education and various domains has been clear. Most computers, information processing, and storage have transformed every aspect of society. Or information technology is now an every part of the life. So ang technology is one of them siya na priority na dyan ako sa pamangsa. Diba, for example, sa akong eskwelahan, laptop or TV or cell phone. So, component of information technology, IT or information technology is composed of various elements. So, computer and networks. First is computers and networks. Second is mobile and wireless devices and satellite communication, robotics and bibliotics, cable television and electronic mail or email, electronic gadgets and automated office equipment, and the last is technological innovation and entrepreneurship have been key drivers of change over the past 3 decades. So there are advantages of information technology. Technology is used in new ways. Building computers are more affordable, powerful, key advantages. First is globalization. Second, communication. Third is cost effectiveness, and the last is creation of new jobs. So, globalization brought the world closer together, leading to sharing information more quickly and efficiently in our countries to share ideas and information with each other. For example, niadto gawa sa ibang pamanan. So, di ba, pinaagi sa pag-chat or pag-message or pag-video call ninyo mga is communicate ng mga. Sa communication is make communication cheaper, quicker, and more efficient. The internet has opened up face-to-face communication from different parts of the world. So, mas okay po na is communicate mo para like para mas makuan ba dyan mo mas mailan ba dyan mo like na ayaw WeChat. So, di ba, makaila-ila ng gano'n na pag-asa siya or cost effectiveness. So, cost effectiveness is the computerization of business processes, increase productivity resulting in more profits, better pay, and working conditions. So, the last is creation of new jobs, open or up opportunities for new profession, computer programmers, system analysts, hardware and software developers, and web designers. So, di ba, pinaagi sa like online business na, di ba, like Shopee, Lazada, or ka nang mag-post ka sa Facebook, para siya example sa creating. Yung positive impact. So, nakuha siya positive impact. First is emergence of online companies, creation of economically